Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking and .NET error 0x800F0906. So how to resolve? First, I have a solution, so I'm giving you step by step. So first method is click to start button, then type to setting, then guys click to Windows update. So show your guys your Windows is up to date, no have any pending to KB series and any update pending. So firstly you install properly, okay, and download and install and restart your system, then next solutions. So guys, Windows R and type appwiz.cpl and then enter. Okay, then guys click to turn Windows features on off, and both are check. Like if you have unchecked, so please check. Okay, this is not required, this, okay, WF and check, then save. Okay, this is second solution. Now third solutions, go to Chrome browser and type .NET repair tool, okay, and download and open, then click to yes. I accept, next, detecting issue, again next, apply restart Windows service, okay, and then finish. Then guys, next solution, install latest .NET and use offline, okay. .NET latest version download, first one officially download, scroll down, this is latest version, so click and click to download. And run, click to run. I agree the all license and then installations, then click to yes. .NET is installing properly. Now this is guys fifth solutions, again Windows R and type gpedit.msc and enter. Computer managed computer configuration administrator template, systems, So guys, this is actually installing, so please wait. Close the GP edit group policy. Okay, so next solutions. Then guys, click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator. Right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys, I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scan now. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done. When your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issues, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.